Hi there. This is a video is about walking through some examples of switching between mixed numbers and improper fractions. Again, not going to get too much into why we're doing this, but more just this is how you do it. So that way you can maybe finish a homework assignment or just feel more confident about the skill itself. So let's say we have something like 3 and 2/5, and we want to convert this mixed number into an improper fraction. Well, what I like to describe is I like to go with like a C method where I go around making an upside or making a C from the bottom up. But what I do is I multiply here and I add there. So I'll go 3 times 5, which will give me 15. And then I'm going to add 2 to get 17 over 5. And that's how you go between a mixed number and an improper fraction, where the numerator is larger than the denominator. Let's do another example. Let's say we have something like 9 and 1/2. Same idea. Make this big C. We're going to multiply here, add there. So 2 times 9 is 18. And then we add that 1 is going to give me 19 over 2. Okay, and again, this comes in really handy if we maybe need to, if we're ever adding and subtracting, you can never go wrong by having the improper fraction. Sometimes it's easier, and then definitely when multiplying and dividing, you need to have the improper fraction. Other times, maybe you want to go from an improper fraction to a mixed number, and so that one's a little more complicated. Let's say we have something like 23 over 3. So for something like this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to think of a multiple of 3. So a multiple of 3 near 23. And a couple come to mind. I've got 21 and 24. And so I'm going to focus on between these two because in order to get to 23, or sorry, 21 or 24, I have to multiply 3 by 7 or by 8. Now, 24 doesn't do me much good because that's too large. So I'm going to take that one out of contention, and I'm going to use 21. So if this was 21 over 3, my answer would be 7. So I do know that I have at least 7. And then I just think, what's the difference between 23 and 21? That's 2, and I have 7 and 2/3. Now I get it, that's tricky. So let's do another example. Let's say we have something like 51 over 4. So again, I want to think of some multiples of 4 that are near 51. And once you get 1, you can kind of, go 48. All right, maybe let's see, let's go one more, 52. All right, 52 is too big. But what's 48? 48 is the result of 4 times 12. So I know that I have 12. And off to the side, I'll go 51 minus 48. And that gives me 3. So 12 and 3/4. And now we've taken an improper fraction and we've made them into mixed numbers. So hopefully you found this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me about it. Yeah, good luck.